Look what we come home to. A wet cat. Pumpkin, have a smell of Laggy's meat, her bone I'm going to give her. Yeah, look at him. He's soaked. They said, oh, we want some of that. This is for Lagatha. That's for Laggy. But a beer. Laggy's like, what the heck? That's my bone. That's my bone. Look at Pumpkin. He loves water. He loves to play in water. He loves to hunt frogs. Don't ya? Don't you, little boy? Yeah. Buddha says, oh man, I love this bone. I love it. Lick my lips. Pumpkin. Pumpky wumpkies. There's our fluffy fluff fluff. There's our other fluffy fluff fluff. You know, guys, this bone's not for you. It's for Laggy Girl. It's for Laggy Girl. Yeah. Sorry about it. I'm so sorry about it. I'm so sorry about it. I'll get you a treat though. I'll get you your own treat. I said, I want it. It smells so good. It's real. It's real meaties. Look at this. Agatha's like, that's my bone. That's my bone. That is my bone. Bring me my bone.